Hi everybody. Let's talk about let me give you more examples on the numerical approach of limits, and then at the end I will quickly review a few questions, graphical and numerical both, so you guys can have a good idea, and then we can go to algebraic approach after that. Below are the tables of values for given types of function. For each table, the type of function represented by the table is given. Use your knowledge of numerical behavior of each type of function to find the indicated limits. For limits that do not exist, write does not exist. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, I would say for every question A, B, C, pause the video, answer yourself, and then check the video to see if you're right. Okay, this one says limit x approaches negative infinity. So if I'm approaching negative infinity of h of x, that's h of x, that's this portion up here is going negative infinity, and you check the two numbers. Do you see a huge difference, 13 and 125, which means I'm going negative infinity. Huge difference, huge difference. It means infinity, either positive or negative. So this one is going towards negative infinity. And always box your answers on the AP test. Make it a habit from now. Limit x approaches -1. They didn't mention positive or negative up here, so I'm going to do both. -1. This is -1. First, I have to approach from the right. I mean, you don't have to, but you can do whatever you want. X approaches -1 from the right. X approaches -1 from the left, and you know it's not an undefined or whole. So I'm approaching 1. Limit x approaches in positive infinity of h of x. So positive infinity going in this direction, like I'm going in there. What is the y value when I'm going, the x is going in this direction? Check the two numbers. Do you see not a huge difference? Not at all. So pick the last number, round it up, it's 3. Okay, box. Next one. Let's go to the next question. Number 2, rational functions. In question number A is talking about limit x approaches negative infinity. Negative infinity, which means the x is going in this direction. That's a negative infinity. It's going in this direction. What is my y value when the x is going in here? So my y value is also going in this direction. Did you see it's not really a huge difference? So you're going to pick this number and round it up, which is 1. Okay. Limit x approaches -2 from the left of g of x. Left. This is left. So that's -2, and I'm only going to go from left. So this is my left. When I go left, and you know there is a hole there, right? That's a hole, because undefined. So I'm going to get arbitrarily close here. So I'm going to go arbitrarily close. Arbitrarily close is this. You see, from the left. Okay, so I'm going to pick 0.333. Limit x approaches -2 from the right. This is -2. I'm going right. I'm going to stop here. That's arbitrarily close. That's again 0.33 repeats. Limit x approaches -2 from the left and right both. And I already got left and right both. So my answer was the limit exists and it's 0.333. Right? Because both of them are exactly the same. Even there is a hole there, we picked arbitrarily close. Limit x approaches 1 from the right. X approaches 1 from the left. That's 1, and I'm going to go left. And you know it's again undefined. So I'm going to get there from the left. That's a hole, and I pick arbitrarily close, which is this. And you can tell this is 1999, and this is 0.333, which means I'm going in this direction, but it's a huge number, huge difference between these two. So it means I'm going towards negative infinity. X approaches +1 from the right side. This is 1. If I approach from the right side, again, I stop here because it's a hole, arbitrarily close, and I pick this. Do you see 2001 and 1.002? It means that's a huge, really a huge difference there, right there. But you know I'm going in this direction, like I'm going in here. I'm going in here. Like that one was, X was going in this direction, then Y is also going in this direction, like right here. So that's a huge difference, which means I'm going positive infinity. If this is 2001, then I don't know what would be the other number because we started 1.002. So this is limit x approaches 1 from the right is positive infinity. Limit x approaches 1 left and right both. Does not exist. Look at this. One is negative infinity, one is positive infinity. Even if they were the same infinities, like both positives, both negatives, still doesn't exist because infinity is not a real number and we need a y value for limits. So you're going to say does not exist because, okay, they are not asking for explanation, are they? Let me check. No, they should just say right does not exist like that. Okay, so I'm not giving them explanation. We're good. Limit x approaches positive infinity. So I'm going positive infinity, and you know positive infinity is going in this direction. That's what I mean, positive infinity, x. So what is the y value? Y value is going to go in this direction too. This is a y value. And look at this. This is, you know that it's a difference, but I'm decreasing. If I'm decreasing, then I have to just pick this. Right, just that, and it's gonna be just 1. You round it up. Let's go to the next one. This is the last one. Okay, limit x approaches positive infinity. X approaches positive infinity, and my positive infinity for x is going in this direction. What is the y value if I go in this direction? A huge difference, but I'm decreasing. Do you see that? This is 13,002, and that one is 2.001. So I'm decreasing. You pick this number, round it up, and that will be my answer for this. X approaches positive 1 from left and right. That's positive 1. I'm going from the right, and I'm going from the left. That's a whole, and you go arbitrarily close. So pick these two, and you know these are exactly the same, like not exactly the same, but when you round it up, it's going to be the same, or you don't round it up, negative 2.33. You could say that. You can write it down like that. Repeats. X approaches, limit x approaches 4 from the right, that's 4. And if I'm approaching from the right, then I'm going in this direction, right? And you know that's undefined, that's a whole, so please stop right there, arbitrarily close, and I'm picking this arbitrarily close. Do you see it's a difference? I'm going in this direction, it's a huge difference, and I'm increasing, like from 2.001 to 13,000. So if that would be my positive infinity. X approaches 4 from the left. That's 4. I'm going from the left. I stop here, arbitrarily closes this. You see this number and that number, huge difference. So this is negative infinity. Okay. Limit x approaches 4, and this one talking about left and right both, and we already got left and right, so it means does not exist. Okay, so that's how we do it, guys. If you have any questions and you still don't get it, then please comment below that you do not understand. Please write your name there, do not understand, and then I will work with you on a Zoom. So that will be online tutoring for you guys. Have a good day, guys. Bye.